Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Mutiara Hayyu from Mathematics Education, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Universitas Negeri Padang. First of all, how blessed I am to have an opportunity to be here and deliver a simple information about Bloom taxonomy cognitive level. And also, I would like to thanks to Professor Dr. Ahmad Fauzan, M.Pd, M.Sc, and Miss Dr. Yulyanti Harisman, S.Si, M.Pd, as a lecturer in the Mathematics Assessment Learning course, who has given this assignment to me so that it can add knowledge of study we are working on in me. So now it's about Bloom taxonomy cognitive level. The cognitive domain involves knowledge and the development of intellectual skills. As we see in the slide, there are 6 major categories of cognitive process, starting from the simplest to the most complex. The first is remembering, known as C1, understanding, known as C2, applying, known as C3, analyzing, known as C4, evaluating, known as C5, and the last is creating, known as C6. And now we go to the example of Bloom taxonomy cognitive level and they're classified. So I will show some problem and we are together classify it and also give the reason why the problem suitable with that level. And this is the first problem. A number that is not a member of the set of prime numbers is. So how about the suitable level for this problem? We see together. Yeah, it's C1 or remembering. Why? Because in this problem, we are asked to be able to recognize or recall the memory or knowledge that has been stored in the schemata of the cognitive structure because we have learned about prime numbers before. So it is hoped that only by digging into memory, we can find the answer. The ability at this level are knowledge of basic facts, terminology, or routine memories. Now we go to the next problem. Look at the picture below. The mirror image of the shape that is the correct reflection is. So let's think together the suitable level for this problem. Yeah, it's C2. Why? I will give simple explanation. We are asked to determine the image of the result of a reflection of an object. In this problem, we are expected to understand the concept. A concept is formed from concept components, and this component is a specific facts. Thus, a concept can be viewed as a specific set of functionally unrelated facts. Students here are asked to be able to reach the level of understanding a mathematical concept. Student must have memory of the concept first, and it's said to be understand the reflection if he can provide an explanation or provide a more detailed description about it using his own words about why the answer in the first picture or why is in the second picture, on the third picture, or in the fourth picture. And then we go to the next problem. Matchsticks are arranged as in the picture below. There are the first picture, the second picture, and the third picture. And the problem is, if the arrangement continues, then the matchstick to make the 10 shape is. What about this? How about the suitable level for this problem? Yeah, it's C3. Why? Because Because in this problem, ability at this level involves the ability to remember, retrieve relevant information, transfer the components of the problem, manipulating data, and recognition relationship students. The relationship. Students in this problem will solve this problem if they have the ability to choose to use and appropriately apply a theory, method, principle, or a formula to the match picture situation, and what formula will be used. So that's why this problem is on the C3 level. And the next problem, if xy equals 1 and x greater than 0, then which of the following statement is true? Let's think together the suitable level for this problem. Yeah, it's C4. Why it's C4? Because in this case, students are required to have the ability to check the accuracy of the relationship and interaction between the element in the problem, then make a decision to solve the correct relationship between X and Y. That's why this problem in C4 level or analyzing. We go to the next problem. If circle A has an area of 100p and circle B has a circumference of 50p, circles A and B are circles of the same size. It is true or false statement. What is the suitable level for this problem? Yeah, it's C5. Why C5? I will give a simple explanation. This level is in line with the analysis level, but is more complex. In this level, students are required to formulate and validate a relationship. In this case, you can be asked to find and prove the statement mathematics, or define an algorithm and prove it. As in the problem, students are asked to answer and evaluate whether the statement is true or false. So it is hoped that students can solve the problem and then evaluate whether it is true or not. That's why these problems are in C5 level. And this is the last problem. If K supposed to be circumference of circle and L supposed to be area of circle, then the correct relationship is, let's think together the suitable level for this problem. Yeah, it's C6. Why it's C6? Because in this problem it involves trying to put things together to generate new knowledge. In order to successfully produce something new, learners generate, plan, and produce. In our problem in this slide, we are given an K and L. Then by using various formulas from what we know, we will get a new formula. That's why it calls creating. I think that's all from me about Bloom taxonomy cognitive levels. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared to be beneficial for all of us. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.